Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a hard-working farmer. Every morning, he woke up very early and walked a long way to fetch drinking water from a distant well. He carried 2 clay pots, tied them to the ends of a wooden stick, and placed the stick across his shoulders. One pot was perfect. The other pot had a small crack on its side. Because of that crack, half the water leaked out before the farmer even reached home. The perfect pot was proud of itself, but every day it made fun of the cracked pot. One morning, the perfect pot looked at the cracked pot and said softly, "Look at you. You're useless. Half of your water is always gone before we even reach home." The cracked pot didn't reply. It stayed silent, holding back its sadness. Day after day, the same thing happened. The perfect pot teased, and the cracked pot stayed quiet. Slowly, the little pot began to feel worthless. One day, it couldn't control its emotions anymore. Tears rolled down its side as it whispered to the farmer, "I'm so sorry." The farmer looked at it gently. "Why are you crying, my friend?" he asked softly. The cracked pot spoke in a trembling voice, "Because I'm broken. I have a hole. Every day I lose half the water. Because of me, your hard work is wasted. Yet you never scold me. I feel ashamed of myself. Please forgive me." The farmer smiled kindly and said, "Oh, is that what makes you sad? Don't worry. Tomorrow I will show you something, and after that, you'll never feel useless again." The next day, the farmer carried both pots as usual and went to fetch water from the well. On the way back, he said softly, "Today, I want you to look carefully at the side of the road." The cracked pot looked down. To its surprise, there were beautiful flowers blooming all along its side of the path. Red, yellow, and pink flowers swayed gently in the morning breeze. For the first time in many days, the cracked pot forgot its sadness. It admired the beauty and felt a little happy, but when they reached home, it noticed again that half its water was gone. Its heart sank. It whispered sadly, even after seeing those flowers, "I still failed you. I still couldn't bring you a full pot of water." The farmer placed the pots down, smiled, and said softly, "No, my little friend. You don't understand yet. Didn't you notice something? The flowers were only on your side of the road, not on the other pot's side." The cracked pot blinked in surprise. "Why? Why are they only on my side?" it asked softly. The farmer's smile widened. "Because I have always known about your crack, that's why. Many months ago, I planted flower seeds along your side of the path. Every day, while we walked back home, you watered those seeds without even knowing it. And now the whole road is filled with beautiful flowers because of you." The cracked pot's tears of sadness turned into tears of joy. For the first time, it felt special. The farmer looked at the pot with love and said, "See, you thought your weakness made you useless. But your weakness brought beauty and happiness to everyone. You are not less than anyone. You are perfect in your own way." Friends, nobody in this world is perfect. We all have flaws. We all have cracks. But sometimes, the things we see as our weaknesses can become our strengths if we change how we look at them. Just like the cracked pot, your flaws can create something beautiful too.